What is up, YouTube? So today, look, somebody's hitting VTech. So today, I'm finally doing what I've been wanting to do since I bought this car. That person out there is having loads of fun with that VTech. Been wanting to do it for a long time, and it involves mesh and this ugly grill. So I have a 2001 Subaru Forester, Forester L. So it comes with this super basic grill, which is really ugly. I don't like the chrome. I really love the mesh grill, but it's $300. This already was on the car. The mesh was $10. The rotary tool was $20. And then the paint I've already had, so that one wasn't that expensive, but they're only like $6. So black paint, that's all. Black paint and primer, so it'll stick on there for sure. And that's about it. So we're gonna get going. I've been wanting to do this for over years, just haven't been able to do it. I bought an emblem so I can put it on there because it didn't come with one. And now I'm getting rid of it, but hopefully I can smack that emblem on there as well. And I tried to do this with a saw first, and it took forever. It was the little small ones, the little handheld one, that wasn't working. It took forever, so I just went and bought a rotary tool. And so we're gonna get going. I'm gonna put you on a different angle when I start it. So right now I'm just gonna plug everything in, and I'm just gonna be listening to YouTube at the same time. So ironic, right?
This gonna feel real good, alright? Most dope. Everybody please put a thumb in the air. Hey. 1, 2, 3, 4. Break that shit to another way to go. Let it dance, let it dance, let it dance. 1, 2, 3, 4. Break that shit to another way to go. Let it dance, let it dance, let it dance. I feel like $1,000,000, but my money don't really feel like I.
Alright, so far this is what I have. It took way too long to do this. If you're gonna do it, get a bigger rotary tool. So I finally finished it, and honestly, it looks great. I just need to paint it. Definitely gonna go black, just so it doesn't rust, because it's honestly just metal mesh. It looks freaking awesome. I cannot wait to put it on my car. And honestly, instead of buying a $300 grill that does the same thing, give or take, it's already cut up and perfectly done with no blemishes. Because this is pretty ugly made, but it looks good. From afar, you wouldn't be able to tell. Well, let me turn this microphone around so you can hear me. You can hear me a little bit right now. So yeah, so it took a lot longer than I expected, because I started like around 3, maybe 3, and it is now 7. So it took way longer than what it was supposed to, than I thought that it was gonna take. But it's done. It took about 4 hours just to do it myself. I should be going to sleep right now, so I will show you the finished product tomorrow. Tonight I'm just going to spray paint it with I'm not even gonna do it. I'm just gonna install it again, so it just don't have a gaping hole in the nose of my car. And tomorrow I will paint it. So thank you guys for watching. Tomorrow there's going to be a picture of my car on what it looks like, so please watch my Instagram for the finished product, the fully finished, so spray painted and everything. and it's gonna be at cavemedia.com or Cave Media. So like this, just like the name. So it's gonna be like this. Link will be down in the description below. Tomorrow will be the finished product. So now I will go to sleep. Peace.